Hello students, I am here with a very important question for your exams of fluid mechanics and hydraulics. That is, what are the major losses and minor losses in pipe flow? You can see that this question is asked in many times of GTU exam, that is May 2016, November 2017, July 2022 and January 2024. Now let's start. So we know that if flow is taking place, there are two type of losses. That is first major loss and second is minor losses. Now if we talk about the major losses, we can say that it will be generated due to the frictional losses. Okay, it can be also known as the frictional losses. So frictional, it can be friction along the pipe wall. As the fluid moves through the pipe, it experiences frictional resistance against the wall of pipe. This frictional force depends on the factors such as the roughness of the pipe wall, the velocity of the fluid, and the viscosity of the fluid. So these major losses, that is frictional loss, can be determined by using the Darcy-Weisbach equation and Chase's equation. Now if we talk about minor losses, that is local losses. First, it is due to the entrance loss. When the fluid enters the pipe, there is a sudden change in the velocity and direction, causing energy losses due to the turbulences. This loss is more pronounced in pipes with abrupt entrances. So here the equation is given for the entrance loss, that is H equal to K V square by 2G. Now this K is the factor that depends upon the roughness of the wall and many other factors, that is type of a pipe and all. Next is exit pipe. Is similar to the entrance losses. When the fluid exits the pipe, there is a sudden change in the velocity and direction leading to the energy loss. So it can be given as H equal to K V square by 2G. Generally we assume the K is equal to 0.5 in exit loss, so it can be given as 0.5 V square by 2G. Bands, fittings and valves. Any changes in the direction of flow such as bands, elbows, valves and fittings can cause additional energy loss due to turbulence and eddies formed in the fluid flow. Next is contraction and expansion. When the cross-sectional area of the pipe changes abruptly, such as in sudden contraction and sudden expansion, energy losses occur due to the change in fluid velocity and pressure distribution. It can be given as, for sudden expansion, head loss will be V1 minus V2 whole square by 2G, where V1 is the velocity at starting point and V2 is the velocity at the ending point. And for sudden contraction, it can be given as H equal to 0.5 V square by 2G. Okay, thank you.